Here we're going to solve this matrix equation and find values for x and y. So on the left side of this equation, I notice I have some matrix multiplication. I have this row matrix, 1 by 3, and then I have this guy that's going to be a 3 by 2. So when we're done, we should have a 1 by 2 matrix, which it looks like on the right side of the equation. That's exactly what we have. So let's go ahead and work this multiplication on the left. 4 times 2. Remember, across the rows, down the columns. Minus 6 minus x. So that's row 1, column 1. Now let's do row 1, column 2. 4 times 5 is 20 plus y minus 4x. And that's going to be equivalent to this matrix here on the right side. So what we can do, we're going to simplify this a little bit more if possible. So let's just, 8 minus 6 is 2 minus x. And this guy pretty much is what he is. I can't really, there's no like terms anyway. So what I have here are two equivalent matrices. This guy on the left is the same as this guy on the right. So I can set the corresponding entries equal to one another. So 2 minus x is this first one, which is the same as 5. So 20 plus y minus 4x is the same as 32. So I'm going to go ahead and solve this first equation first. It only has an x. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. Negative x equals 3, which means x equals negative 3. And if that's the case, I can plug that negative 3 into this x in the second equation, and I can solve for y. So 20 plus y minus 4 times my x value, which is negative 3. 20 plus y plus 12. And now it's just a matter of working this equation out. Y plus 32 equals 32. Well, that means that y must equal 0. So the value for x is negative 3, the value of y is 0, and those are the values that will make this matrix equation true.